Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. I am the professor. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Today I am gonna discuss quadratic equation, completing the square. Topic comes in the book Cambridge AS&A Pure Math 1. Chapter 1 Quadratic equation, topic 1.1 completing the square.
Complete the square in the form ax plus bx square plus c for the equation y equals 2x square plus 3x minus 2, and use the result to work out the coordinate for the turning point. So we have y equals 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So we need to factorize. We need to make this term to 1. So what we can do, y equals to take the 2 outside, so 2x square plus 3 by 2 x minus 1. So we know that we need to make the perfect root. So for that we need to add and subtract the coordinate b, half of the b square. Y equals 2 times of x square plus 3 by 2x, so half of the 3 by 2. So we get add half of b 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 the half square minus 1. So we get 2 x square plus 3 by 2x. So this 2 comes here over here, so we get plus 3 by 4 square minus 3 by 4 square minus 1. Equating this, we get x square plus 3 by 2x plus we get 9 by 16 minus 9 by 16 minus 1. So we know that this resembles the term a plus bx square. So we can rewrite this one as 2 times of x plus 3 by 4 the whole square, and this one becomes 16 common, so minus 9 minus 16 divided by 16. So I'm writing on the other side, so which equals, that is y equals 2 times of x plus 3 by 4 the whole square minus 25 by 8 by 8. So this 2 comes over here and it will be the multiply of 2, this 16 will be cancelled each other, and we get 25 by 8. So this is the equation. Finally we have arrived the desired form, this one. Now we need to find the coordinates. Since x square is positive, so the curve is U-shaped. The curve is U-shaped. So meaning x plus 3 by 4 the whole square is a minimum point. It is a minimum turning point. So we need to find y at, this is the minimum turning. So we need to find y minimum equals 2 times of. So here, what is x here? We can say, which implies x equal to minus 3 by 4. So putting the value in the above equation, minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 25 by 8. So this cancels each other, and y minimum we have minus 25 by 8. So the coordinates are x value and y value, minus 25 by 8. So these are the coordinates of x and y.
Thank you guys. Have a great day. See you. Bye bye.